breaking the wall of off-grid water treatment. Tianqi Huang, Falling Walls Lab, Shenzhen.
Off-grid water treatment. So, it's the DN200 pipeline discharging wastewater into natural water body. And those kind of behavior could impact the groundwater and supplying water supply in the surroundings, especially in rural regions. And sure, women and children spend significant amount of their life to get clean water, and certainly those kind of wastewater can spread disease in the communities. And according to the UN's report by this year, there are around 44% wastewater hasn't been treated well in the global. And 3.6 billion people, they lack access to clean water. The traditional treatment process is challenging to deploy it in rural regions and remote areas. So what we are thinking about, are we allowed to deliver a simple, innovative solution for them? So first steps, we just introduced a carbon-based semiconductor electrode in electrochemistry to generate active groups like hunters, just such as ozone water, hydrogen peroxide, to capture the pollutants. And we have this key treatment unit incorporating different sensors to monitor the water quality in the bodies. And the third steps we have done is this year to involve AI learning models inside to predicting, analyzing, and learning different water bodies. Then we can deploy. And certainly, it's energy saving. It's only from 100 watts to 300 watts. And let's have a case. We have 5 weeks here to treatment wastewater ponds around 3,000 metric tons in China, a countryside. And you can see there's a thick, rich algal cover on the surface of the water. After several weeks, we have shrimps and algae appears, and several weeks, the algae is reduced, and the clarity of the water is improved. So, after 5 weeks, the birdies start nesting over there, and we have the biological diversity already improved. So, after 5 weeks. Besides that, we also have larger size floating modes. Ours recently first disinfecting for tap waters, such as tap waters in village pumps. So we would like to take this opportunity to invite you all to engage us for more discussions. Then we can together deliver more clean water to the world and the peoples. Thank you so much.